I will find them like it is great and
my Niger people don't bring no bunga Bishop news story. My name na Nehi. Make a sharply yarn on a story wey say it just happened. The House of Representative Committee where they torchlight the corruption against Economic and Financial Crime Commission and Nigerian Correctional Service for on top the Bobrisky matter. The committee don't come out to Konyano say they go visit the Lagos State offices of the two agencies them on Monday, October 21st, 2024. The Nigeria Calabar Police top person will be ACP Olumia Adejobi don come post this picture of the old police barracks as in talk say they go scatter this old one to build this new one when he post this picture just to change the face of the Nigerian police barracks. The Enugu State government don come talk say they go put mortuary taxes them. We say they go they make money from anybody. We say go carry their family members dead body they put for inside mortuary. Say because they want discourage people to they put dead body them for inside mortuary. And on top the section 24 of the birth, death and burial law, reversal law of the Enugu State 2004. Now they go use to put The Lagos State government don come talk say they don demolish this building where they remove the roof of the building, come add another 2-story building for on top, and the building dey for Ashagbon Street for Isale Eko inside Lagos Island. The Federal High Court don come order very dark man say make him delete all the video wey him talk about the Falana family, and also court come even order am say make him not talk any other thing or make any comment about the Falana family again. As the court come talk say they don adjourn the case they go from. Pastor Femi Lazarus don come chook mouth to come fire bad mouth to take give the House of Representatives after wey they try to pass the bill. Say make road safety, they carry gun as in con talk. Say developed countries them say na technology na im they use. Say not be gun na im they use. Say because Nigerians they don't tire for Nigeria Calabar police where they mistakenly they use gun, they shoot by the citizens of Nigeria. Say now they want to come make road safety them, make they carry gun up and down.
There's a bill that is being passed and it has passed the second reading, and I consider it a very dangerous bill. And that's the fact that road safety officials should be given guns. No. Nigerians have faced the worst threats, and one of the most devastating protests that has rocked this nation is the End SARS protest, which is against police brutality. We don't want to see this nation burn. Every developed country, they are managing the road and every safety guideline with technology, not with guns.
Kasala don come burst for inside that Ghana body for inside Edo State as some youth they come provoke, come first go burn down police station and the cars wey dey for inside there as a come talk. Say those Calabar police officers that they protect criminals them wey dey buy people, also they kidnap people them, and also they comot the human being part wey people they call organ harvesters them for inside Edo State. The ogbonge Nigerian musician wey be Bankole Wellington aka Banky W with him wife wey be ogbonge actress wey be Adesuwa Etomi Wellington don come share this picture as they come dey expect another baby. The Lagos State government don come react to this video of this building wey for collapse as they come dey talk say this building wey dey for number 20 Amusa Street, Bale, Orile, Igomu. Say they don mark the building already, say they go demolish am and nobody buy for inside the building. Say because Lagos State government don pursue everybody comot for inside the building some weeks before the building come for collapse. The chairman of the Presidential Fiscal Policy and Tax Reform Committee wey be Taiwo Oyedele don come talk say any Nigerian wey dey earn 100 million and above every month go pay 25% of personal income tax rate if National Assembly take pass the new tax bill. The Minister of Women Affairs Obuju Kennedy Ohenenye don come beat her hand for chest come talk say she go deal with the man wey for snap because of this 8-year-old girl and 3-year-old girl wey be im sister and na the daughter of their neighbor. Na the man go for snap because as she come out come yarn this talk, also come dey thank Nigerians and the way say that they try they support wetin she dey do.
This is great that we run. Not me, but Obuju Kennedy Ohenenye. I will not walk. Imagine a small girl like this being raped by a matured man with her younger sister, 3-year-old. Why is it done? 3-year-old and this girl 8 years plus. Being raped 3 times.
One JSS3 student of St. Louis Girls Grammar School, Akure, Ondo State, who her name be Boluwatife Oladipo, 12 years old, don come for collapse as she come poof by. Through wey be say she dey play with her classmates dem for inside school, and she come out come dey tell her classmates dem say she dey feel like say she wan poof by, and e no too tey na she come for come collapse come poof by for inside school. The Tunisian pilot wey be say carry Super Eagles team take go Libya don come out to come yarn o say na Libya authority na dey instruct am to divert the plane go different place. If not, say dem suppose take land for inside Benghazi. Say but when the Libya authority come order am say make him divert the flight, na him make I come divert the flight come go another place go land.
The Libyan Civil Aviation Authority that we are approved to land in Benghazi, but unfortunately when we start descent they asked us to divert to Labrak.
After wey the student of Mapoli for inside Abeokuta come out to come dey complain, e say get some thieves there wey dey always dey break enter inside their hostel, come thief-talize their phone and laptop, and the thief dem go come write note to come give them their Telegram handle, say make dem chat them if they wan collect back those things dem wey be say dem thief-talize. And when the student dem go chat the thief dem go come tell them say dem go pay $100 and above according to the cost or the market value of wetin wey be say those students dem wan collect back from them wey be say dem thief-talize. But as dem come dey happy say dem don catch one of them wey make that one na come dey bring out the things wey be say thief-talize, come dey give back to the student dem after wey dem don catch am red handed.
Oya ṣí jáde gbé látọ̀ bí ẹ jáde mo ṣe fídíò lọ́wọ́ náà ló ṣe yín gan. Oya ọ̀dà látọ̀ dà ok ṣé látọ̀ bí ní ẹ bọ́dà oya gbé sílẹ̀ ó jáde ẹni sùn ẹ̀yà ní sùn ta ló lè lé ìbọn lẹ́tí gbélé.
Yes, na Bishop News O'Clock. My name na Nehi. Make una enjoy your day.